Do you like to play with balloons? I do. And today we have a really fun experiment using a balloon. What do you like to do with balloons? There's so many fun things to do. You can play with a friend and toss the balloon back and forth and try not to let it touch the ground. You could blow it up and you could draw faces on it and make it look silly or make it look like a character. There you could. Ooh, if you pop it, it makes a really big noise. It's kind of scary. If you blow it up and you hold the air in it, but you don't tie a knot and then you let it go, it flies all over the room really crazy. And it's kind of fun and it makes a silly noise too. Well, today we're going to try something different with a balloon. We're going to blow it up, but we're not going to be the people blowing it up. We're going to let a science experiment blow it up. So we're going to try to create a gas inside of one of these plastic bottles to blow up our balloon. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to have a bottle kind of like this. It could be any plastic bottle that you can find. Clean it out and let it dry. And then I have a one is a pop bottle and this one is much taller and it's a water bottle. So we're going to see if we have trouble or if it works out to use either of these bottles. I kind of feel like the shorter bottle might work better, but we'll wait and see. All right, so that's what we're doing. We're experimenting. So today we're going to take the water bottle and, well, first of all, we're going to take our balloon and we're going to stretch it. You want a balloon that's at least 8 inches round or larger, and you want to stretch it a little bit because sometimes when they just come out of the package, they're pretty tight. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to take a funnel. This is a funnel, and we're going to put the end of our balloon around the tip of the funnel like this. So I'll hold it on there so it doesn't fall off, and this is called baking soda. I'm going to put some baking soda into our balloon like this. I'm going to take the spoon and just dip it out of the package and then pour it through the funnel. And I want to fill my balloon about halfway up with the baking soda. So I'm going to fill it maybe just a tiny bit more. And I think that should be enough. And I'm going to shake that all in there. And then we're going to hold it carefully so the baking soda doesn't fall out and pull it off of your funnel. All right, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take white vinegar. So most people have some vinegar around their house, and the experiment says to use white vinegar. So we're going to open up the jar of vinegar and we're going to put the funnel into the jar. And it said to fill the jar about 1/3 of the way. So I have to try to guess what is about 1/3 of the way with vinegar. I think that maybe just a titch more. All right, we're gonna try this. And you know, when we experiment, we never know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try it. So now we are going to take our balloon that has, remember it has the baking soda inside. We're going to take the top of our balloon and we're going to wrap it around the top of the bottle, the water bottle or pop bottle or whatever you use. Now when you mix the vinegar with the baking soda that's in the balloon, it creates a gas, and that is what is supposed to blow up or expand our balloon. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it. Is it gonna work? Oh, look. It's blowing up our balloon. Do you see it? Isn't that cool? So the balloon is filling with the gas that's created from the baking soda and the vinegar, and it blew up our balloon. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's make sure all of that soda is out of there. I think it's all out. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. So it works pretty well with the shorter bottle. Let's see if it works with the tall bottle. We'll do the same thing. We will take a funnel and put, whoops, we'll do the balloon first. Wrap the funnel or the balloon around the bottom of the funnel, and we're going to scoop some baking soda into our balloon. Whoa, I'm spilling. Good thing I had a towel under there. Okay, so you might have to kind of tap your funnel to get it to all fall into your balloon. And we're going to give it just a little bit more. And I think, well, I don't know, maybe I didn't use quite enough. Remember, you want your balloon to be about halfway full of baking soda. So we're gonna try that. All right, now we're gonna take it off. That slid off really easy. And we're going to put our funnel, whoa, into our bottle. I'm gonna set that right there. And pour in the vinegar. Now I'm probably gonna need a little bit more vinegar for this one because it's a taller bottle. So let's see. Oh, might be a little too much, but we'll see what happens. It's all an experiment. All right, so we're going to take our balloon, slide it over the top. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Oh, and there goes our balloon. This is a lot of fun to watch. I would continue to hang on to the part of the balloon that's attached to the bottle, just so it doesn't go flying off until all of the soda is mixed in. Here it comes. So it looks like our experiment worked with our short bottle and our tall bottle. So I think this is a pretty successful experiment. That's fun, isn't it? All right, you need to try this at home because it's really a lot of fun, and really all you need are plastic bottles, some baking soda, and some white vinegar, and a balloon. All right, thanks for joining me. See you next time.